Sitting on nearly 5 rolling acres, complete with a pond, large barn, and fields that enjoy beautiful stone walls and specimen trees, this historic property is a glimpse back into what South County used to be. This home has been lovingly updated and restored as the charm of old meets the modern conveniences of today. Stepping inside, the home's dramatic makeover includes beautifully finished hardwood floors and a new gourmet kitchen with top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances and a sunny eat-in area, while the adjoining butler's pantry provides a wine fridge and plenty of storage. Host any number of guests in the great room with both a formal dining area and a handsome living area with an impressive stone fireplace. Unwind in the serene sunroom bursting with natural light. A large in-ground swimming pool overlooking the grounds where a grass tennis court once stood will keep everyone happy during the warmer months. Beautifully appointed bedrooms and bathrooms with radiant heat in the floor are located on the second floor, including the master bedroom with a large walk-in closet and ensuite bath. A favorite space is the sleeping porch, which can be used as another bedroom or perhaps a play space for the young or young at heart. Completing this level is a generous family room with its own inviting fireplace. A third level with plenty of additional living space, along with a 2-bedroom, 1.5-bath garage apartment, adds to the allure of this once-in-a-lifetime property. Enjoy wonderful communities in southern Rhode Island as you shop in charming Wakefield Village or downtown Narragansett. Spend a day at one of the many iconic beaches in the area, such as East Matunic Beach and the Narragansett Town Beach, or play a round of golf at one of the many local courses. Easy on-highway access allows you to visit historic Newport or vibrant Providence, while the Amtrak train station, less than 7 miles away, provides swift travel to New York City and Boston. For more information, please call Janet Kermis at area code 401-527-8159.